On the menu today, we're making pink pickled onions. These are ridiculously easy and taste good with pretty much anything. So begin by peeling all your onions, and then we just cut them in half. Slice them thinly, making sure to leave out the root. Next, grab yourself a clean and sterilised jar, and fill to the top with your sliced onions. Really push them in there and fill this thing right to the top. Put this to one side for now because we're going to make our pickling liquid. So find yourself a container that's about half the size of your original jar and fill it with vinegar. Put that in a saucepan. Now half fill it with water, add that to the saucepan. Half fill it with sugar and add that to the saucepan. I'm using here a couple of bay leaves and some peppercorns, but you don't have to, I just like the flavour. But you do need a big pinch of salt. Bring that up to the boil and strain directly over your onions while still hot. Fill it right to the top so they're fully submerged. Any spare pickling liquid can be reheated later to use on another batch of pickles, but for now just put a lid on your onions and wait at least 2 hours before eating them. But ideally you want about 24 hours. So just put these in your fridge and they're ready to go whenever. They last at least a month, or probably longer, but I've never had a batch last that long. See you next week.